Microsoft Excel is a tool of Microsoft Office 365 productivity suite that allows you to organize, format, and calculate data with formula using a spreadsheet. It provides worksheets that comprises of table having rows and columns. Each row and column have multiple cells in it. A cell is the most basic storage unit available in Microsoft Excel worksheets. It is a rectangular box that occurs at the intersection of a vertical column and a horizontal row in a worksheet. A single cell can contain 32,767 characters. When you type long sentences in Excel, it displays all the text in single line. Sometimes you may want to show your data in multiple lines within a cell, but when you will click enter for the spacing, the cursor will automatically move to the next cell. In this video, we will show you how you can insert multiple lines in a single cell of the worksheet without moving to the next cell. For this, open your desktop application of Microsoft Excel. Here I have opened the desktop application of Microsoft Excel. You can use the web application of Microsoft Excel as well. So here in this cell, I'll write some value. If I click enter, it will take me to next cell. But I want to enter values under this cell. For this, what will I do? I'll simply hold the Alt key and press enter. So this is how I can put multiple values in a single cell in Microsoft Excel.
I hope you like this feature. For more of such videos on Office 365, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, Foetron Cloud Academy. Thank you.